My name is Ashley Beckwith. I'm the founder and CEO of Foray Bioscience. We use biomanufacturing to protect and restore ecosystems. Our focus is even broader than that, I would say. Plants fuel every aspect of our lives as people, from the air we breathe to the food we eat to the energy we consume. And our human lives are only as secure as our global plant systems. And today, those global plant systems are in decline. And so we think about leveraging the power of plants to help address this imbalance that exists between humans and nature. We do this in a few different ways, but at the heart of everything is the plant cell. And we leverage plant cells as a means to create opportunities for humans to take less, to plant more, and to plant better. And so with plant cells, we're able to leverage the power of nature, but amplify it using engineering and technology. So when we think about, for example, seeds we talked about, we have these grand reforestation commitments, and we want to be able to reforest these areas that are being destroyed intentionally or unintentionally through human acts or non-human acts. But the challenge is we don't have the right seed to be able to replenish these ecosystems. And so really being able to leverage and identify the plant cells and the plant seeds that are able to adapt us to these new and changing environments and keep pace with the changing climate will be key to ensuring lasting restoration. And so that's part of what we're doing at Foray, is leveraging new models for being able to forecast what we should plant where to keep pace with the changing climate, and being able to generate the seeds to enable that modeling to come to fruition. And so that's where we think about identifying robust plants, robust seeds that can thrive in these ecosystems for decades to come. This field of plant cell culture has been around for more than 100 years, and yet it's lagged far behind some of these other disciplines with bacterial fermentation or mammalian cell culture, which have applications in medicine and manufacturing. And, the reason is that, we have had traditionally sort of a lack of investment in the plant space, and also a lack of understanding. The plant species that we're working with are so diverse in character, both in their whole plant form and on the cellular scale. And so today, scientific development is incredibly slow. It can take decades to be able to move a plant into this new seed production process that we're proposing. And so we leverage new approaches to data analysis, using machine learning and novel strategies for experimental design, new tools and technologies that we develop to accelerate the scientific process, to make this scientific approach an economic reality for a wide variety of species across a wide variety of applications. So really we're looking at understanding, how do we take this cell and keep it alive outside of the plant? And then how do we direct the landscape and steer it to the end product that we're looking to achieve, whether that's a molecule, a material, or a seed? And by creating these landscapes for the first time and leveraging data, we're able to map and understand these responses and start to make connections across species to make this tool broadly relevant. And so right now we have partners in the academic sector who are leaders in this modeling space, understanding how we develop and adapt our ecosystem so that they can thrive. We have partners in the product space, in industry, who are looking for these novel solutions and approaches to being able to produce these products that they harvest from nature, but they do so inefficiently. So we have this drive from both the consumer side and the conservation and sustainability side, where people want these new solutions, and our job as an organization is to bring those motivations together and create technologies that enable those mutually beneficial outcomes. Even bigger than innovation is creativity, and being able to see how the pieces that we have can fit together in new ways. And so at Foray, we think of ourselves as both innovators and integrators, bringing many innovations together in novel ways to enable outcomes that would have been inconceivable, a decade ago. And so it's this type of innovation, I guess, this integration is a new type of innovation in a way that we're most excited about. So not having to invent everything from scratch, but making the most of what we've built and being able to put some icing on the cake as well.